Now, let us continue liver function test. We are in obstructive jaundice. Okay. So, there are three types of jaundice: prehepatic, hepatic, and post-hepatic jaundice, also called as obstructive jaundice. Okay. So, in obstructive jaundice, as such, there is no problem in the liver. Okay. Much problem in the liver. So, there is increase in the serum conjugated bilirubin and increase in serum alkaline phosphatase, very high. Okay, alkaline phosphatase is very high in obstructive jaundice. Why? Because obstructive jaundice reason is mainly because of the presence of cause is mainly obstructive jaundice is due to the obstruction in the bile passage, okay, preventing entry of bile into intestine and its regurgitation into blood. It comes back to blood, that is the meaning. So, as such, liver and before liver, no, not much problem, but there is a blockage, flow of bile, okay, preventing the entry of bile into intestine. So, blood level of conjugated bilirubin increases. So, there are two types of obstruction. It may be intrahepatic or extrahepatic. Intrahepatic, primarily hematoma is one of the cause, cirrhosis of the liver or even lymphomas is the cause. So, extrahepatic, mainly gallbladder stone, okay, or biliary tract carcinoma of the head of the pancreas. Mainly it is gallbladder stone which enters the biliary tract, carcinoma of head of the pancreas, or even enlarged lymph nodes or biliary atresia. These are the main causes, okay, of biliary obstruction, which causes increase in the conjugated bilirubin, which regurgitates, comes back to blood. Okay. So, clinical manifestation, in addition to jaundice, patient pass dark colored urine due to excessive excretion of bilirubin, because conjugation takes place, okay, that is absorbed in the intestine, and more and more conjugated bilirubin and urobilinogen, stercobilinogen produced, and pale clay color stool due to absence of stercobilin. Okay. Due to absence of bile salt in the intestines, fat digestion and absorption is impaired. So, feces contains excess fat. Steatorrhea is the name for that, excess presence of indigestion of fat because of the absence of bile salt, because bile salt is required for digestion of fat. Okay. So, why absence of stercobilin in stool or urobilinogen in urine? Because biliary obstruction, bilirubin does not enter the intestine, and therefore urobilinogen and stercobilin are not formed and not found in the urine and feces. Okay. So, because of the biliary obstruction that occurs in hepatitis, so we will come back there. Yeah, because of the biliary obstruction that occurs in hepatitis, even which regurgitates back into the blood and excreted in the urine. Since obstruction is more complete compared to that of hepatic jaundice, In biliary obstruction or obstructive jaundice, obstruction is in hepatic jaundice. Remember, obstruction is partial, but in obstructive jaundice, obstruction is almost complete. Okay. So bilirubin and bile salt comes back into the blood and excreted in the urine. So since obstruction is more complete compared to that of hepatic jaundice, more bile pigment and bile salts are excreted in obstructive jaundice. So excretion of bilirubin and bile salt in the urine. Okay. Why absence of stercobilin here? Why absence of stercobilin? Because of the biliary obstruction, bilirubin does not enter the intestine, and therefore urobilinogen and stercobilin are not formed. Okay. Not found in urine and feces. So that is about 3 types of jaundice. So there are liver function test indications is not required actually in detail. Main indication for liver disease, may detect the liver disease and how much liver is damaged, want to see, and mainly differential diagnosis of jaundice, pre-hepatic, hepatic and post-hepatic, and to follow up chronic liver failure. Okay, it may be cirrhosis and other, and screening cases, mainly any hepatitis infection and all. Okay, so it is classified in different types. LFT, liver function test, based on the excretory function, bilirubin and all. Metabolic function based on the detoxification function, based on the synthetic function, and measurement of certain enzymes AST, ALT, ALP. So details not required, but different types of jaundice. What is jaundice you should know. So how to bilirubin is produced, that is also important. So next is the Vandenberg reaction. Okay, so this is specific reaction to identify elevated serum bilirubin above the normal level. Okay, name of the scientist Vandenberg. See here, bilirubin is estimated using one reagent, diazo reagent, where diazotized sulfonylate acid, this is commercially available. Diazotized sulfonylate acid means mixture of diazotized sulfonylate acid is a mixture of sulfonylate acid which is treated with a mixture of sodium nitrite and HCl. Sulfonylate acid treated with sodium nitrite and HCl is called diazotized sulfonylate acid. What is the reaction? This diazotized sulfonylate acid in the presence of bilirubin, for example in the serum, forms purple colored azobilirubin. So diazotized sulfonylate acid plus serum bilirubin to give azobilirubin, which is purple color, which can be measured using colorimeter, color measurement instrument. See here one thing is there. Addition of methanol dissolves the unconjugated bilirubin. What is unconjugated? Water insoluble, okay, bilirubin. Indirect bilirubin is unconjugated bilirubin. Addition of methanol dissolves unconjugated bilirubin, which is then gives pink color. What is that? Purple color. So unconjugated bilirubin or water insoluble bilirubin gives purple color only after the addition of methanol. So addition of methanol dissolves unconjugated bilirubin, which then answers the Vandenberg reaction, okay, within 30 minutes, and this is called indirect positive Vandenberg reaction. Okay, indirect positive Vandenberg reaction. So then what is direct? If the serum contains both unconjugated and conjugated bilirubin in high concentration, then purple color is produced immediately because of the presence of direct conjugated bilirubin, which is further intensified. Color becomes stronger by the addition of methanol. Indirect positive. So in methanol disrupts the intramolecular hydrogen bonds, and thus both conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin react, measuring total bilirubin. This type of reaction is biphasic. Mainly in hepatic jaundice, there is presence of both conjugated and there is increase in both conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin. So in hepatic jaundice, we can see biphasic reaction. What is the meaning of that? When you add diazotized sulfonic acid to serum bilirubin, first we will get the color, because there is in hepatic jaundice there is conjugated bilirubin, so you get the color. But after the addition of methanol, this unconjugated also dissolves, so they also start giving the start reacting to produce azobilirubin. So slowly color intensifies. So this is called biphasic, two types of reaction. So this is the chart to differentiate differential diagnosis of jaundice. So unconjugated Vandenberg indirect positive. What is the meaning of indirect? Unconjugated bilirubin, water insoluble bilirubin, indirect bilirubin gives Vandenberg reaction after the addition of methanol. So indirect positive. Unconjugated bilirubin, where you can see prehepatic jaundice, neonatal, sickle cell and all. So where both Vandenberg biphasic reaction, where you can see mainly hepatic jaundice, where there is presence of both conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin. And there are three types: hepatic, viral, toxic and alcoholic, drug toxic hepatitis. And in case of conjugated bilirubin is water soluble, so it is direct positive. Okay, conjugated bilirubin is water soluble, so it is direct positive. Where it is there? Post hepatic jaundice. So the liver in post hepatic jaundice, as such there is no problem in the liver. Conjugation takes place, there is increase in the conjugated bilirubin. So in post hepatic jaundice, conjugated bilirubin is more, so direct Vandenberg is positive. No need to add methanol, before only it gives purple color. So what is the cause for conjugated bilirubin? The conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, mainly regurgitation. There is what is the meaning of regurgitation? Obstruction in the flow of bile, mainly because of the gallstone, biliary atresia, tumor in the biliary tract, or carcinoma of head of the pancreas. Read this properly. Okay. So using Vandenberg reaction, we can differentiate three types of jaundice.